The issues are something that we have been protesting over for quite some time now, but we are seeing a government which is absolutely unwilling to hold itself accountable. Whether it is the Pahalgam terror attack, we haven't seen any accountability coming from the Home Ministry, which is responsible for this. Then with regards to Operation Sindoor, which Prime Minister on the floor of the House said is ongoing, and yet we are having them play cricket matches together for money over the blood of the people of India. Then we have issues such as the SIR that Election Commission is going about. Mayor Shri Rahul Gandhi had written about the Maharashtra elections. We have been raising the Maharashtra election process, how 45 lakh voters were added, how 70 lakh voters ended up voting at the last hour, closing hour. So those are questions which Election Commission of India needs to answer, and the SIR on the basis of which names are being deleted, and over 60 lakh names have been deleted. So on what grounds, what basis, and most of them happen to be those who are working in other states. So the migrants who have gone to another state but have their vote in Bihar, they will come back to realize that they don't have their vote anymore. So they are effectively disenfranchised. So those are burning issues of the country which we will raise. And of course, the trade deal with US and the impact it will have on the economy, the tariffs that are being levied. Those are points that concern my nation, concern 1.4 billion people, and I'm sure this is what is going to be the agenda.
Will there...
I don't want to jump the gun here because I'm not aware of the details. I can only talk about the issues that really are concerning the people of the country.